Hey fairies, and welcome to another protective style inspo for my fine hair Girlas. I wanted to try mini twist for the first time, so I ordered 3 packs of 22-inch 3B3C kinky curly bulk hair from Hot Braids, and in total the cost was $260 with a discount code in shipping. I first ordered the textured samples before I ordered the actual bulk hair, only to test the samples side by side to my hair, and as you can see, the 3B3C matches the closest to my curl type. I usually get 3C4A, but I'm noticing that my roots are more 3B and my ends are more 3C4A. Now, your girl is not installing these mini twists on herself. I need a bit of help, so I called my girl Suzie Sue to install the mini twist. Suzie actually cut the 22 inches in half and separated the bulk hair to make it more fluffy. She also separated some Afro Twist synthetic bulk hair from the Beauty Supply store to add into the mini twist. Since I have fine hair, I wanted to avoid the mini twist in the front just to preserve my edges as much as possible, so I wanted Plait Twist in the front and the mini twist in the back to avoid any tension on my edges. I feel like the hair on the back of my head is a tad bit stronger but not too strong, so I felt more comfortable having medium-sized parts versus smaller parts. She started with a knotless braid with the Afro Twist bulk hair to give my hair more grip at the root and prevents the braids from slipping out over time. She then added the 3B3C bulk hair to the braid, but before she started twisting, she's adding mousse to the hair and then just 2-strand twisted the hair until she got to the length I wanted. When she cut that 22-inch bulk hair, she separated each strand into 3 pieces and used those 3 pieces to do an extension twist so that the length ended up being 22 inches anyway, and I saved money only needing 3 packs of hair instead of 5. Y'all should already know this is a follow along tutorial, so grab that virgin bulk hair and continue your mini twist until you reach the top, and I will be back to explain the Plait Twist in a bit. For my fine hair girlies, it's always best to choose a less tension protective style. So we decided to do Plait Twist, which is 2-strand twist close to the scalp. Plaits or cornrows are a great protective style to do to help your hair grow, but I wanted to show another type of 2-strand twist cornrow that takes less time than braids and has 0 tension on my edges. This is just another alternative to the flat twist because flat twist takes the hair as a whole and twists until you get to the end of the row. I love flat twist, but the longevity only lasts a week tops versus 2-strand Plait Twist that lasts 2 to 3 weeks if you wrap your hair every night. When she finished the front design, she's extending that twist into a mini twist by adding in that afro twist and braiding the end of the row into a braid, then adding in the bulk kinky curly hair and extending down to the end. This look really started coming together, and I love the way my texture looks with this style. I'm giving my 3-day hair routine on how I wrap my hair at night and how I refresh my mini twist and natural hair every 3 days. Even though it is a protective style, I still want to make sure my hair is being moisturized often and the twists are staying refreshed since we use virgin human hair. This mousse is so good for keeping that frizz on the hair at bay. I use this on the bulk hair and my roots to hold down my hair and achieve that moisturized sleek scalp. These are all the mousses I use for curling the ends of my curly hair. Choose whichever you like and get to wrapping and twirling the ends around your finger just to give it some body and definition. This is a spritz I use to keep my parts clean and humidity free. And I also use this in my bulk hair to keep the ends preserved over a couple of days. This spritz on my edges is so tea to do my baby hair. It's really a game changer for sleeking down my hair without using any crazy alcohol or really heavy edge control. I just sprayed some spritz on the edges, then use a tiny bit of the Frontal Queen edge control on my edge brush and swoop my hairs the way I liked. All the products I use in this video will be in the description box below and in my Amazon storefront under natural hair. I'm showing a couple of styles I've been wearing in my hair lately, showcasing the versatility this mini twist style has. When I say this protective style has no tension, I mean it is light as air. The bulk hair is so lightweight. I love the way my hair curls on the ends and it matches my natural hair texture perfectly. Because it is human hair, it doesn't have that super shiny synthetic look like the Afro twist hair we use from the Beauty Supply store. You can wash and reuse this bulk hair when you take it out so that you can save money as well and put a clip on those ends and wash that hair away. Now that my makeup is done, you can really see the final look of this style. This has to be one of my favorite protective styles I've ever done. Shout out to Hot Braids for making textured bulk hair for every person of color and their hair type. The most common twist hair I've been seeing is 4C Afro twist hair. I love that for my 4C Girlas, but I don't have 4C hair texture, so it's good to see companies catering to more than just 4C and other hair types. Also, shout out to my girly girl Suzie Sue for making my thoughts in my mind come to life as always. And let me know how you guys like this style in the comments, and can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye y'all.